vehicle, when you buy a brand new vehicle, the one thing I put to sleep, and I've talked about this before, is warranty. So now, in no shape or form will your warranty ever be voided. And I'm going to repeat, will no shape or form will your warranty ever be voided if you get your vehicle fixed at an accredited shop. It does not void any of the warranties. Brand new will not void any warranty. It's the first thing I want to tell you. Secondly, you do not have to get your vehicles fixed from dealerships. You have different options. Secondly, you do not have to get your vehicles fixed at dealerships. You have other options. Actually, I will supply you with accredited shops that you can pick from. Some better than others, obviously, but that's for you to choose. And this is why I've been doing my videos, is to educate you guys and give you those choices. Okay, so secondly, you do not have to go to the dealership on a brand new 2019, brand new 2020, and get it fixed by them. First off, I just want to share that, you know, the companies, some of these dealership companies are not even OEM certified to fix the vehicles that they're selling. I will repeat, some of the dealerships are not, and I'm not saying all, but there is some, they're not even certified to fix their own vehicles that they're selling. We are OEM certified, which means that we are seen by dealerships that are, and they are noticing that we can fix the vehicles. We have gotten the right equipment to fix all, basically fix all brand new vehicles, any make or model. So we spent the money, gotten all the right tools, using all the right processes, getting all the right information so that we can fix your vehicles properly and safely. And not all dealerships are equipped to do this. Again, I'm not saying all of them, but I'm saying there are that. So if you're feeling that you can only use your dealership, it's false information.